Cutey coming. Wait, what is that? Oops, I fell down. I'm not good at walking. I failed in my preschool exam. So, yeah, I kind of think... Wait a minute, is that a doorbell? Let me ring it. Ouch. Fine. I have to do it while sleeping because it's hard for me to stand up till it. 2 hours later. I'm so tired of doing like ding dong stuff. You know what? Let's find something else to do now. Cutey, what did you just say? What happened? The axe is out. What do you mean? What happened, Cutey? I didn't do anything, I swear. You want to get a little beating, Cutey? No!